Okay, students, let's start with our topic. Now, first, our subject name is Programming in Java Lab, and the subject code of our lab part is ACCS 16506. This is our lab code that you have to write in your lab practical file. Okay, next, this is the part A, which include the various programs of the Java, like the first start with the basic Java programs. Then we will move to the constructor and destructor, like the C++, like the C++ language. And then afterwards, there is one new concept for you, that is packages and interface. Then afterwards, we will move to the exception handling. That is also one new concept for you, multi-threading, and these all concepts we will discuss in our next lectures. Now, this is a part A. Afterwards, you have to make the one application in part B with the help of the Sphinx and JDBC. Okay, this is the main thing. First, we will complete this part. This part will include the basics, multi-threading, networking, and then the Sphinx. Okay, our syllabus is divided into 4 parts. One is the basic programs, then afterwards the multi-threading, then afterwards the network and applets, and then afterwards the Sphinx. And then afterwards you will implement the part B with the help of all these concepts. Okay, now the softwares, I'm going to use editor, text editor. Okay, I'm using the text editor notepad. You can use any ID like the NetBeans, Ellipse, and any another ID. Okay, any software you can use. You can, I'm going to use the editor, but if you know the Java, you can go for the ID also, like the NetBeans, Ellipse, that is. Now let's move how we can install the Java on our system. First, I am going to write the CMD. Your first step is to move to the command prompt and write here Java C. Java C is the compiler. That is the command which we run on the command prompt. We write the Java C. If for checking whether the Java is present in our system or not, whether the Java is present in our system or not, we will use the Java C. Okay, like this. If it show like these commands, then it means Java is present in my system. But if it shows the error, then it means Java is not present in your system. Okay, this is the one thing. First, you have to check the Java. Then afterwards, screen is not visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, not visible. Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Oh, wait. Let's share me. Let's share. Now it's visible. Yes, screen is visible now.
Ma'am, screen is visible with the content list of software, but not command prompt is visible.
Okay. Now it visible. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible now.
No. Okay. I'm going to repeat it again. Okay, first step, you have to check whether the Java is installed on your system or not. For checking, let's move to the CMD, command prompt. Command prompt screen is visible to everyone? Yes, this
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
is, yes. Yes, I am repeating again. See, command prompt screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay, first step is I'm going to write the Java C. Java C is the command for checking whether the Java is present in our system or not. That's why we use the Java C. Now, here I'm going to enter it. And you can see there is list of the commands and list of the files and directory which are available in our Java. It means the Java is present in our system. Whenever you will run the code, and first time you will see there will be error. There is no such command is available. Like this error is not internal command available. Like this error will be generated. So it means that Java is not present in your system. To install the Java, let's move to the Chrome or any browser. Browser is visible. Here I am going to write the Java, download Java. Java. Okay. Now you can see here, there is the option Java Oracle, java.com, or there is the oracle.com. You can choose any site. You can choose any site. Like if I am going to move to this part, I'm going to click here. Now you can see this is the screen which include the latest version of the Java SE 16. That is the latest version of the Java. And next there is Java SE 11, and here are Java SE 8. Okay. Now latest version is the Java 16. You can click on JDK. That is a Java Development Kit. Click on this. Okay. Then afterwards, you can choose any version. Then move to the depends upon your operating system. Depends upon the operating system. Choose the exe file. Choose the exe file. Like suppose I am working on the Java Windows 64-bit. So I will choose the Windows JDK exe file. Okay. It depends upon you. It depends upon your system configuration that which you have to choose. Like if anyone is using the Linux, if any student is using Linux, then he had used from this part. Okay. Depends upon if any student is using Mac, उसके accordingly उसे Mac use run करना पड़ेगा. It depends upon the operating system, vary from the system to system. Okay, this is your step. Suppose when I click on this part, I review, start downloading. Start. You can see here now. JDK start installing. Okay. Installation is visible. Downloading of the file is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, it's okay. Now click on this opening and yes. Okay. And you have to follow these steps. You have to follow this step. Okay. You have to move to the next, and it will install the JDK 16 on your system. Okay. I had already installed, so I will not going to move to the next button. You will install like this. Okay, clear to everyone how you can install? Everyone is clear how we can install the Java?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I repeat, first you have to move to the Google Chrome or any browser you have. Okay, on that browser, just write the Java and move to the just move to the oracle.com and choose the exe file. Depends upon your operating system. According to the operating system, choose the file and download the file. After downloading, run that file. After running the file, it will install the Java into your system. Now, this is the one thing you have to do. Now, next step is there is the one thing. Suppose I want to make a program. I had made the program and I want to save that program on my desktop. Till now, you had made the program and you have to save that program into the particular bin. Like suppose there is C drive, and C drive program files, and here is a Java, and in Java within the JDK, that is Java Development Kit, click, and here I can store my program. Till now, the program which I had made, I have to store that file into here. But there is a one concept of the environmental variable. There is one concept of environmental variable. With that concept, I can store my file at any place within my system. Okay, that is the environmental variable. Okay, students, I'm going to stop this meeting and I'm going to send you one another link. You have to join that link. I'm going to stop this meeting and again I'm going to send you the link and then you have to join that link so that we can move to the next step.